Star Trek The Next Generation on Old Man Cart with our tree trimming special here on Old Man Cart. This is the Enterprise. It's the Starship Enterprise on the tree taking a commanding position as an ornament in our Christmas universe as we see wonderful celestial bodies here on Old Man Cart. Yes, yes. Beautiful ornaments. There's Santa Claus here on Old Man Cart. And uh-oh. Dun, 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 dun. It's the Romulans. Dun-dun-dun. The Romulans are down here in the galaxy waiting to ambush the Enterprise. Here's a beautiful ornament Joe Paroli gave me. It's gorgeous ornament. There's another Galaxy class starship waiting. And of course, there's Scuba Santa, thanks to Bill Harley. And of course, here we are on the 21st of December, and we're watching. And of course, we have St. Basil's from the Kremlin in Russia, because we have some Russian friends. We have Puerto Rican friends, Russian friends. You know, we are the world. We are the children. And we're watching like disaster. See what happens around Christmas is either you get like Jesus movies and baby Jesus movies and wonderful, wonderful movies, or you get violent movies where the violence is sort of Old Testament type violence, where like the whole planet is just going to explode because we're sinners kind of thing. And of course, here on Old Man Cart, we have the cart. And the cart brought the tree back from what was that place? Dykeman. I have a friend who lives north up there, some sort of ethnic neighborhood. And of course, we see a multitude of reflections as we also look at our other decorations, our folk decorations here on Old Man Cart. And of course, we'll also be making the Irish mashed potatoes. And then he likes to throw the peels in the sink. I don't know why. It's weird, but it's okay. And here we are back to the tree. We just put it up, and we got the vacuum cleaner, and we're going to clean everything. But just wanted you to have a look. We don't have too many presents this year. We're under economic, fiscal cliff thing happening right here. But there's penguins, and there's little mice and choo-choo trains down here on the bottom. And Joe Cronin will like this one. That's Superman flying, saving people and picking up a car or a truck or whatever it was. So here we are on Old Man Cart Christmas special as we watch disaster movies and trim the tree.